Welcome to Creative Bath Lab, where I share my passion for DIY bath and body projects. Today, I'm showing you how to make the cutest unicorn bubble bath ever. I'm going to show you how to make bubble bar horns and stars, sparkling salt, and the bubble bath brittle. Then I'm going to show you how to assemble it all so that it looks amazing in any container. Divide the mix for multiple colors. I wanted light but bright colors, so I added a bit of neon mica to each to get the perfect shade. Quick tip. Make sure mix is extra wet. You may need to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of liquid bubble bath so that it sticks together firmly when dropped and doesn't easily crumble apart. These are the decorations. I'm going to add a tiny bit of each to the brittle. Add some alcohol and mica to a cup, swirl it around to mix. I'll be using this alcohol and mica mixture throughout the video.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
Grab a flat pan or cookie sheet and fill it with mix. Once the pan is full, pack the mix well and make the top flat. You can add more decoration on top. Just shove it in deep in the mix and then pack the mix around it. Once you have the first piece out, it's easiest to slide the knife under, lift up, and then break the brittle with your hands. Then break it up into smaller, varying sizes. Use your hands to knead and squeeze the dough together. The dough will start to pull together to form a ball. It will be soft but not sticky. Divide the dough into two. You're going to use half for the stars and half for the horns. Add cornstarch or mica and shake to evenly coat the mold. Then fill the mold with dough. Pack it well and make the top flat. Do the exact same to the other side. Except this time put a bit of extra loose dough on top. Then smush the two sides together. Squeeze them tightly together until the molds touch all the way around. Then tap both sides to release the horn. You can paint the horns with the alcohol and mica mixture. It's actually easy and really quick. I couldn't decide which color to paint them, so I painted them each a different color. Coat the dough ball with cornstarch, then place it on parchment or wax paper and flatten it out a bit. Roll the dough gently. Do not apply weight or pressure. Paint the entire surface with glittery or sparkling mica. This is a plunger cutter. They have a spring back that pushes the shape out for you. They are perfect for tiny shapes. You can use cookie cutters too. Try to cut the star where it remains on the paper. If not, gently push the star out with a blunt point. Then try to flatten the dents with your fingers. These are all the elements to assemble the bubble bath. Place several chunks of brittle, then place a few decorations snuggled up against the glass. Once the jar is filled, place a few decorative elements on top. Fill the container to the top, then snuggle the horn in the center. Place the top on to get an estimate. As you can see, it's about the third ring from the bottom. Remember to fill the space where the dome lid will be, making the bottom fuller and the top skinnier. Isn't this so cute? This was only supposed to be the brittle, and it slowly morphed into this detail project. I'm going to link the cups, but the small cups came with no hole lids. I got the hole lids from other cups that I ordered. To use, crumble up brittle, stars, and horn under running water. The bubbles were awesome, but the real win is the way it looks. All of the elements came together perfectly to make a super cute and special presentation. I keep thinking how amazing this would be as birthday party favors. Thanks for joining me today. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration. Check out the description for the recipe, helpful tips, and the supply list at the bottom. Connect with me anytime. My accounts are linked in the description.